Hi, I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm inspired to share an insight realized during a wonderful walk taken in the wooded park in Michigan some time ago. I took a picture of this, and you'll be able to see it throughout this video and aspects. So, it's common for me to intend or reach for a deeper connection to the divine when I'm outside and walking in nature and so forth. I have always felt the energy recognized as whatever name might work, super consciousness, life force, the divine or God source that emanates to and through myself, others, and our surroundings, in animals, through the plants, the trees, so forth. And of course, sometimes it's much more noticeable than others, given whatever state of mind I happen to be in at the moment where my attention and awareness is. As I was walking, feeling my surroundings and intentionally being present and listening, I came across a cluster of small orange wildflowers with one white little cluster amongst the rest of them. And here is what came to me at that time. I love how various aspects of nature speak to me. It's as if the divine itself is orchestrating life all around on my behalf, just to let me know whatever I need to hear, or let me know it's present, or to help me understand an answer to a question or a prayer. Maybe another way of saying that is hearing divinity in nature and the world around me. Like these wildflowers, they're not always something that's vibrant that would really get a person's attention. Not even necessarily a favorite color, but yet today, it's like they almost glow, getting my awareness and my attention. And then there's this single little cluster, white cluster, standing out amongst the rest of these orange-colored, tiny wildflowers with green leaves. It seems to be saying that it's good to stand out. Stand out for the sake of being an individualized expression with one's own ideas and inspirations, preferences, and blend of skills, talents, abilities, and self-expression. Because it's natural. It was intended when we came into this form. And that the universe at large will take care of the where, how, and when in the sharing of likeness and differences that create the perfect place and right time of every single rendezvous. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, Father Sky. Thank you, little wild petaled ones. The presence of pure unconditional energy, the feeling of being in the presence of divinity, and a recognition of the familiar, like a deep, intimate connection with the love of your life, washes over me during times like this. And even going back over a recording or written message or the memory of moments such as these, it flows through me in the same way. And I'm so moved. I'm uplifted. I know I'm loved and I feel embraced in the moment from the inside out. It's that knowing that all truly is well. I wish for everyone to have such divine and delicious moments, and that we all continue to have them more frequently and consistently than ever before. In the depths of my heart, I just know that as this happens, we begin to better understand and recall at the core of our being that we are indeed an extension of the very source of energy that creates and sustains this world and many others, and all that is. My hope is that in my sharing these moments, these musings, if you will, that in some way, in some little way, I got to be a part of that with you, even if just a little bit, like a glimmer of the more that you are, we are, and inspiring that delicious desire to reach for and discover that even more. May you be blessed, may you be well, and may you be in love. Until next time, namaste.